I have been a part of MSC Martinsville since I was 5. I've gone here my whole life. It's where I wanted to work even after going to college. I started here being my principal's aide, so I got to kind of feel at home here. I've been here for 12 years. I love it so much. I love every student I've ever seen. I love the relationships that I can build with all these kids.
We're just so proud of Katie Arthur. She makes the most of every day. She keeps student achievement at the forefront. She is always the first one to step up for any kind of professional development and any type of growth, and she always has the ability to help other teachers.